Hello guys, welcome to Saram Student Azul. Today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem which is lemonade change. So let me explain to you the question at once. Later we get on with the coding session. So we have a lemonade stand and each lemonade costs $5 and the customers can pay it with any denomination like $5, $10 or $20. Okay, so the input will be a bills which is a list of the denomination and the output should be either true or false. So I'm going to explain to you with a little presentation here. So as we are looking here, we have a lemonade stand. Okay, this is going to sell this is a lemonade stand. Okay, so now we're going to have the three types of denomination, which is $5, $10 and $15. Okay, so we have three types of denomination. So we're going to solve this problem with the two counters, which is $5 counter and the $10 counter, which are 5 for and 10 respectively. So we have three cases which are going to be piled up here. So the first case is directly the customer gives a $5 bill and there is no change. Okay, so but the shopkeeper is getting the $5, so we're going to implement the $5 counter. And the next case is that the customer is going to give a $10 bill, in which case the shopkeeper should return a $5 change. Okay, so we're going to decrement the $5 counter because the shopkeeper is giving the $5, and we're going to increment the $10 counter because the shopkeeper is receiving it. So it's a counter value, so we're going to decrement and increment the $5 and $10. Okay, so this is then the case 2. The case 3, which is a special case because we're going to have two sub cases here, which is when the customer gives a $20 bill, we should either have a $10 and $5, or we should have exactly three $5 bills for the change. Okay, so here we're going to decrement both $5 and $10 if he has any $10 and $5 bills. Otherwise, if he doesn't have any $10 bills, then we're going to just completely focus on only $5. So how much $5 is going to give? $5 bills he is going to give means 3. He's going to give away 3 because 15 and the net was 5, so he's going to return $15 back. So these are the three cases. If all of them are true, then the customer is satisfied and the transaction is made. Okay, if any one of these condition is not satisfied, then we can say that okay, the shop doesn't have any change, so we can return false. So it is a very easy problem here. Okay, so let's try some code. I'm going to initialize two counters, which is 5 comma 10 equals to 0 comma 0. I'm going to iterate through the list of bills. If the bill equals to 5, I'm going to increment the 5 and if the bill equals to 10, I'm going to check another condition, which is if the $5 bill is greater than 1. Okay, so we're going to decrement the $5 counter, increment the $10 counter. Okay, now that's done. If the both are not there, then the change is not there, so we're going to return false. And I'm going to check another condition, which is the bill equals to 20 if the 10 are greater than 0. Okay, so if we have any 10 are greater than 0 and 5 are greater than 0, we're going to decrement the both. So 5 minus equals to 1. Okay, and then if we're going to have any far more than 3 5's, so we're going to decrement the whole 3, else I'm going to return false. Okay, at the end of the function I'm going to return true, because if all these conditions are true, then the shop successfully given change to each and every customer. Okay, here change is 5. Okay, here change is going to be 15, but we're not going to calculate anything over here, it's just counting. Okay, so I'm going to run this. Error, where is it? I think okay, I've given here 5 are greater than 3. I think it should be greater than or equal to, like okay. So okay, as you can see, our code is running successfully and its efficiency will. Okay, thank you for watching this video.